Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study in high school. First, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each day or week to different subjects. This builds routine and reduces procrastination. Next, break down larger assignments into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes daunting tasks feel less overwhelming and easier to start. Finally, prioritize your subjects, focusing more time on challenging areas or those with imminent deadlines. This strategic approach ensures you cover all necessary material efficiently. Moving beyond passive reading, active learning significantly boosts retention. Try summarizing chapters or complex topics in your own words after reading them. This forces your brain to process and understand the information deeply. Utilize flashcards for key terms and concepts, testing yourself regularly through active recall. Even better, explain difficult subjects to a friend or family member. If you can teach it, you truly understand it, reinforcing your knowledge and identifying any gaps. Your study environment and personal well-being play a crucial role in academic success. Find a quiet, well-lit space free from distractions like your phone or television. This dedicated area signals to your brain that it's time to focus. Remember to take short, 5 to 10 minute breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to refresh your mind and prevent fatigue. Crucially, prioritize getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night and maintaining a balanced diet. These are fundamental for optimal brain function. Consistent review and self-assessment are vital for solidifying knowledge and preparing for evaluations. Regularly revisit previously learned material, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, to move information from short-term to long-term memory. Practice with old tests or sample questions under timed conditions to simulate exam environments and identify areas needing more attention. Finally, take time to reflect on your study techniques. What worked well? What could be improved? Adjust your approach to maximize learning efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.